to my channel. If this is your first rodeo, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, and today's episode is going to be, will I bite, should I bite? I've done a couple in the past, but it's been a while, and with so many delicious products out there, I wanted to share with you. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, but above all, I want to communicate with you guys, so I want you to have your suggestions and the products that I'm going to talk about. First up, my loves, Juvia's Place is not here to play, my love, and I am loving it. Guess what? Juvia's Place released 7 liquid lipsticks. Point of correction for me, 14. What do you mean? They released liquid lipsticks, but they released a matte and they released a metallic, a duo liquid set. Duo, yes my loves, you buy the matte as well as the metallic for $20, which is available on their website as we speak. When I tell you they've got the most beautiful burgundy colors, aubergine, purple, they've got a beautiful nude as well as the peach. I am so in love with Candace. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm getting all of them. The metallic, gorge. The matte, even more so, as you can see with my look today. I am just feeling these kind of colors. They are so rich on deeper skin tones, and Juvia's Place is all inclusive because they even put all the colors also on Caucasian skin, so you can see what it looks like all the way from light to deep, and they are beautiful. On the website now, $20. How can I forget? My discount code. You can also use my discount code. My discount code is valid all year round, because a lot of you ask me, oh, for me, is it just for this collection? It is for every and any collection, for the past collections, for gel liners, for single eyeshadows. Just put in for me at checkout and get yourself your 10% discount, honey. Yes, darlings. Juvia's Place is not done yet. As we all know, Black Panther is the movie of all movies, and it being Black History Month, I think that it just tied in. I am so in awe of Juvia's Place because they had done this collection, I'm sure, for sure, the creative team to put all of the packaging together months ago. And it happened to turn out this particular month. It is the Warrior collection. They have 1, 2, 3 Warrior palettes. The date for release is yet to be determined. The colors yet to be determined, but the packaging alone and the history of Juvia's Place, because I have every single palette, you know it's going to be thebomb.com. There's also going to be liquid lipsticks for the Warrior collection as well. So right now we are looking at an entire collection. Will I get the Warrior collection? Absolutely. The Black Panther movie just gives you that feel-good vibe. It is such a great time for people of color, most especially in America, to go to a film and see an all-black cast, to know that your children can identify with characters, because it's a comic book like Spider-Man, Batman, Wonder Woman, but this film just resonated with me and of course women of color as well as other people as well. It was a great film to see us in our armor, and Juvia's Place represents that 100% in the Warrior collection. They always do, because they teach us about Africa, and this is the only makeup brand that does so. And that is why I love them so much. On top of which, their colors, hello, so pigmented, so beautiful on women of color. So guys, my discount code Fumi, use it every single time you go to juviasplace.com onto their website. Go for their liquid lipsticks right now. I am going to do an episode further down and I will swatch all of the liquid lipsticks, the matte as well as the metallic. I am so excited, and I hope you guys are too, because this is unique. Yeah. Moving forward, Jeremy Scott collaborated with MAC, and they came out with this 80s theme disco, and it had like the boom box. They came out with the CD, they came out with a cassette. It was so great. I absolutely love the packaging. Jeremy Scott did a collaboration with Sephora last year. The teddy bear is the mascot for Moschino, and that collection I bought. I bought the palette, I bought the brushes. I absolutely loved it. I am not going to buy this collection because I feel that the colors are just too light. They don't seem that pigmented. I have a lot of those colors already, and I felt that the price point was so expensive. The palette alone was $75. It's already at MAC.com, and I think it's in stores as well. The cheap palette retails for $35. It's super, super, super light. I just don't think it will work for me. They have a lip palette for £35 as well, and I don't like to have my fingers into my lipsticks and swatching on my lips. I prefer to use a brush. If I'm doing that, I'm doing a makeup tutorial, I'm trying to be zhuzh, so it's not something that I would carry with me, although I like that kind of depot effect, but I just was not feeling it at all. Packaging, thebomb.com, 100% super fun, but I feel that the product in the packaging does not align with my beautiful, gorgeous, deep complexion, so I am passing on that. Then we have Jeffree Star. Point of correction, I did an episode where I talked about my monthly favorites, and I had mentioned Jeffree Star initially before I had mentioned Patrick Star, and I got a little bit confused. Of course, a lot of you said, Fumi, you're making a mistake. Jeffree never collaborated with MAC. I know. My brain just kind of froze because I was trying to be very politically correct and professional with Jeffree Star and, you know, the saga, his history or whatever. And because I like to toe the line, I'm not upset, you guys, and express myself, I think that I still had Jeffree in my head. But I'm fully aware that my beautiful, wonderful Patrick was the one that collaborated with MAC. And I think he's in the Philippines right now, still pushing the brand. I'm so proud of him, so happy for him. So anyway, back to Jeffree Star. Again, being very politically correct, being extremely professional, he came out with the Blood Sugar collection. The Jeffree Star collection is already available. He came out with Star Mirrors, Red and Plum, $20. He came out with an 18-pot sugar palette, retail for $52. Velour liquid lipsticks, they also retail for $18. Holographic makeup bag, $25. Mini liquid lip bundle, $52. And those colors are Doll Pats, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, Unicorn Blood. Oh my God, I miss Anna Nicole. I liked her. I met her a couple of times when I was living in LA. So anyway, now what do I think of the collection? What do I think of the palette? I'll pass on it. You know how much I love my reds. I did not find any true red in that palette. I didn't. They came off pinkish from what I saw other people's tutorials. They didn't come off like a true red. Juvia's Place did a true red in their festival palette. Thank you, Juvia's discount code for me. And because of that, I would pass on it. I'm being professional because this is my job. Hypothetically say that, you know, Jeffree Star was cool and everything, I still wouldn't get the palette. It just didn't work for me. Having said that, I think that his mini liquid lip bundle, cool, if you want to get it, get it. I wanted to specify on the palette. It would be a pass for me because he didn't do a true red, and I always desire true red. Whether you guys want to get it or not, it's entirely up to you. What do I think about the rest of the collection? I think it's okay. I even think the palette is okay. I think it's extremely unique. I just don't care for the palette. The theme of it is blood sugar. My father is a doctor. So when he said blood sugar, I thought diabetes. I think all of these serious issues. And I would have loved perhaps in a way that he could have brought that to attention, you know, and make it fun as well, but also educative. I have to bring up Juvia's Place again. I'm so sorry. The way that they do their packaging and the history behind it and the culture behind it, you walk away with something as well as great makeup. And I love that. I want makeup to be fun because it is fun. But if you're going to have these themes, back it up with education. The same thing with Jeremy Scott and MAC. We love the 80s theme. Who didn't remember the 80s? I remembered the boombox. I remember cassettes and CDs. I was a kid then and it was such great times. So give back something, educate us, bring something to the table as well as the makeup. In this day and age, with such competition, you can do it. So that's my 5 cents. Urban Decay is coming out with a petite heat. Should be out as we speak. I already saw them releasing like an earlier batch. So there you have it, and it retails for $29. Nicole Richie is the face of Urban Decay. Congratulations to you, my love. She's collaborated with Desi Perkins. I saw her with Nikki Tutorials. So good for her. What do I think about the palette? Would I get it? No, not because it's not great, but I have the huge palette already, which I love. It was such a success last year. And the Naked Heat Petite, I feel that they kind of took the best colors out of the big palette, and they're pushing that, even though they said that it's very different. I compared the two and they're very similar. So for me, I feel that if you didn't get the big Naked Heat, the regular size, you could get the Petite Heat. I love Urban Decay. I think that they're so unique and they're so cutting edge, and I loved the little Petite Heat. I just wish that the palette wasn't so similar to the original Naked Heat. Yeah? Dose of Colors has come out with lip glosses. I'm a spring baby. I love lip glosses. I love to be hydrated. I love to be moisturized. And they've come out with a whole bunch of beautiful lip glosses. Yes, I'm going to get them. How much do they retail for? They retail for £15 here in London and $17 in the United States. I love all of the colors. I wear a lot of lip balms and I wear a lot of lip glosses. If I wear a liquid lipstick, I'll put a gloss on top or I'll put a balm on top. Like this lipstick is Anastasia Beverly Hills from her latest collection. I love it so much. I'm going to link an episode for you guys below. And look, I have baby lips, which I put on top of this. You can see it's blue. Just to show you. I love it. I love my lips to be hydrated, and I love like a tint of color. So I'm excited about Dose of Colors. I love the brand, and I'm going to get about 3 of them. I'm going to get the nudes, a peach, and a pink. I think that's great. Yeah. And the last but not the least is Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner has come out with the weather collection in honor of her baby Storm, weathering the storm, get it? So what do we have? We have 3 lipsticks, Nightfall, which is black, I Am in Love. Then we have Cosmic, we have Nava, we have 2 eyeshadow palettes, Eye of the Storm, Calm Before the Storm. I think it's really ingenious. I heard a lot of people saying, oh my God, she's capitalizing on her daughter, she's bringing out a collection. Why wouldn't you? I would have done the same thing. I think for a first-time mother, you're so excited, and she was on the down low throughout her pregnancy. I think she's celebrating her daughter. I don't see anything wrong with it at all. It's fun. I like when brands and collections represent something, like I have said before. Alrighty, so she has those 2 palettes, and then she has 2 sets of liquid eyeshadows. She has a highlighter palette, a loose highlighting powder, flash gloss, and a yellow gel liner. But it's fun, it's fun. I love the yellow, I think it's so hip. And would I get it is the question. I would get the yellow gel liner. I think that's fun. I think I would get like a black lipstick. I love black on my deep complexion. It just really, really pops. For the eyeshadows, I am not too sure. Not too sure. I like the yellow. I like the yellow. I wish she had done like a yellow nail polish. I love that, you know. But needless to say, I will get the gel liner and I will get her lipsticks. I think she's great. So that's it, darlings. That's it for the episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. Above all, leave all of your comments, your suggestions down below, because I love the feedback. All right? Do you like the look? Yeah. I did it up for you guys. Yeah? Love and kisses. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. Did I know in a million